Get ready to set a new standard for the on-the-go professional filmmaker with the Benro S Pro Series single-tube tripod kits. These tripods combine advanced features in a portable, compact design. The single-tube tripod kits are available in a variety of heads and legs, ready to pair with your camera kit. The smaller tripod in the family features aluminum and magnesium alloy construction, offering exceptional rigidity and torque resistance. The quick flip leg locks allow your tripod to be set up in no time. Featuring an adjustable center column for even more height when you need it, an integrated leveling ball, and built-in bubble level come in handy when shooting on uneven terrain. Also available within the family is the 75mm bowl tripod legs, which are available in either aluminum or carbon fiber with selected kits. This tripod features an industry-standard 75mm metal bowl. All tripods in this family feature 3 adjustable leg stop positions, perfect for shooting on uneven surfaces or cramped quarters. Also featuring rubber feet that can be unthreaded and replaced with the included spiked feet for even more stability outdoors. And after battling the elements to get your shot, the tripod's legs are removable and can be cleaned after use in rough conditions. The tripods featured in this family are coupled with our S Pro heads to form our single-tube kits. Whatever the size your camera rig may be, there's a kit here for you. The largest head of the family is the S8 Pro head, which supports up to 17.6 pounds and features a continual fluid drag control coupled with an 8-step counterbalance. The S8 Pro head is paired with a 75mm bowl tripod in either aluminum or carbon fiber. At one size smaller, the S6 Pro head supports up to 13.2 pounds and features a continual fluid drag control coupled with a 6-step counterbalance. The S6 Pro head is paired with either of these tripods to complete these kits. For compatibility, a half-ball adapter is included with the S6 Pro 75mm bowl tripod kit. Going down one more size, the S4 Pro head supports up to 8.8 pounds, featuring 360-degree panning and dynamic tilt movement. By engaging the additional counterbalance spring from the back of the head, you can add even more precision to your shots. The S4 Pro head is coupled with a smaller column tripod to form this kit. The smallest of the family is the S2 Pro video head, supporting up to 5.5 pounds. The S2 Pro head features 360-degree panning and dynamic tilt movement. The head is also available in kit form. All heads feature a pan arm that is interchangeable, so it can be mounted to either side. An integrated bubble level adds even more precision to your shots. Also featuring a CNC machined quick-release plate system, an included quarter 20 and 3/8-16 camera screws with built-in storage. Mounting threads on each side of the heads allow you to mount accessories like monitors or audio recorders. When it's time to pack up and go, just throw your kit into the included carrying case and you're on your way. Check out the rest of the S Pro Series heads and kits if you're looking for even more payload capacity and versatility. The S Pro single-tube tripod kits are what serious filmmakers have been waiting for. They have the durability and precision you need, with the versatility and portability you've always wanted. So, what are you waiting for? Let's go!